Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Larato and this is the Cooler Talk. So if you've missed my intro, you can go back to my first episode where I explained to you guys what this channel is about and what kind of content you can expect from this channel. In today's episode 1 of part 1, I'll be kicking off my series on how to build your own website. So I am a small business owner and I wanted to establish my business online and have a platform where people can shop all my cosmetics online. And this meant that I would have to ask or get someone to build a website for me. But unfortunately, I couldn't afford this, so I ended up having to learn how to build my own website. And because I had to learn how to do this, I thought it would be incredibly helpful for me to actually share the information that I have learned while building my own website. I have to have a disclaimer. My website isn't like the most amazing website you are going to see out there, but it gets the job done. And with the little resources that I do have, I was able to establish a fair and just a decent website for my kind of business. And of course, as my business grows, I would like to improve on what I have now. So on this video series, this is just an opportunity for small business owners who have established their businesses online, or just want to have an online presence in general, to just avoid spending loads of money paying someone else to do it, when you can just build your own website for now until you can afford to have somebody else improve on what you have in the interim. So for this series, I was lucky enough, my mother asked me to build her a website after she saw my website and she was impressed by it. She recently graduated with a degree in interior design, and so she wants to start her own business, and as part of the business she wants a website. And for this series, I'll be building a website for her, and taking you guys through the step-by-steps on where to start, how to start, and how to get a finished product. And I'll also drop in a couple of videos on how to manage your website and etc. Hi everyone, this is voiceover Lerato, and I will be taking you through the steps on how to get your domain name, get the hosting for your domain, and finally start building your website on WordPress. So first, you're gonna want to find a host for your domain. I normally go with every host, and I'll be doing the same today. I'm gonna go on their website, and as you can see from this page, if we go to the bottom of the page, there are available domains, and each of them cost a different price depending on what you're looking for. I normally go for a .co.za because I'll be building a website for a South African company. So you make sure to select the domain that you're interested in, and next I want to check if the domain name that I'm interested in buying is available. Now I'm going to use MIDZA for this part of the video. I know that this domain name is not available because I've already bought this name for my client, and I'm just doing this to show you what you should expect to see if your domain name is not available. If you look to the right of the page on the orange under unavailable, you'll see that your domain name is not available. Now I'm going to show you what you can expect to see if your domain name is available. I'm using my YouTube page to show you guys this step, coolertalk.co.za, and we've got the green light. So now I'm just going to click next step, and we will move on to buy the domain. I want to make it clear that I'm not actually buying this domain name, but I'm just doing this to illustrate what it would look like. So now this page, you'll click on domain registration. You'll be asked if you want to park or point. If you want to park, you're not ready to build your website, I'm ready, so I'm pointing my domain name. Finally, there's a confirmation page that shows you that your domain is available, and you'll be taken to your cart where you will complete your payment details after you have registered your account with AfriHost. So in order to actually register an account with AfriHost, you're gonna have to check out, and I already have an account, so I can log in, but you probably need to create an account at this point. So once you've registered your AfriHost account, you want to log on to AfriHost Client Zone. This is where you can manage everything under your AfriHost umbrella. In our case, we want to manage our hosting. So under our hosting products, we have our domain, and at the moment we actually cannot manage our website, so we need to change that. I'm not sure why I left this out of the actual video, but you will edit your package and choose a package that works best for you. 30 minutes after we've chosen our package, we can now see the website manager option, and we are unable to log into website manager. This isn't unusual, just contact AfriHost. I do it via WhatsApp. Now I want us to take a few steps back and look at the package that I chose for this website. So you click on edit package, and as you can see, I've chosen the silver home hosting package for this website. It's the cheapest one, probably the best for a small business. And our second attempt, it looks like our website manager is ready, and yes, it is. Once you're able to open your website manager, you'll just go all the way to the bottom of this page and click on WordPress. Now I know there's a few glitches in my video, but once you've clicked on WordPress, you should be able to open up to this page where you can start installing your WordPress. Under directory, please leave that blank. Under site name, you can put in whatever the name of your website is, in this case Mafulako Interior Designs. You can leave the site description empty. I'm choosing not to. I can change this at a later stage. Now before you do anything else, make sure that you give WordPress an email address that they can contact you through. Should your website be down, should something be wrong, they will be able to email you some sort of notification to let you know what the issue is, and maybe tell you how you can fix it in some cases not. But it's always good to know what is happening on your website, and giving them an email address gives you a window into that. It shouldn't take too long, and congratulations, you are done. Now when you click on your domain, you should be able to open up your new website, which is still empty, but we're working on that. And at this point, welcome to your website. This is what it should look like. And now in the next video, we are actually going to start building your website, making it look nice. I think this is the fun part. Thank you for watching this video. If you've enjoyed this content, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comment section below. I will make sure to reply to as many as I can. And yeah, see you in the next video.